What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the transmission shudder issue that I am having with my C7 Z06. I have an automatic with 88,000 miles on it, and I've had this problem for a few months, but I've decided to finally take action and hopefully solve this issue. The Chevrolet dealership in McKinney told me that the best way to solve this is to have your transmission fluid flushed, and they quoted me at about $900, and I thought that was a bit outrageous. So I reached out to one of my friends, and he said that him and his team could do it for $349, which I think sounds a whole lot better. I just think the biggest issue that I'm having to deal with this car is it happens when you're going from about 40 to 60 miles an hour uphill. Very obnoxious. It does not sound good, and obviously that cannot be good for the transmission or for the engine. So hopefully my friends can take care of this, and hopefully a transmission fluid flush is all I need. We are here at Quik's Oil Change and Car Care. We've got the Z06 in here for the transmission fluid flush. He said he was going to check something at the bottom, but hopefully this fixes the issue and no more transmission shuddering. What he's doing is he's cycling the system. It's a closed system, but they're basically taking the old transmission fluid and putting in the new transmission fluid. So to answer the question, yes, the transmission fluid flush is the solution to the transmission shuddering issue. The team at Quik's Oil Change did a great job. I'm super thankful for Robert and Brandon kind of letting me invade their space and ask questions, take photos, take videos of the overall process, and get a little bit better understanding on what all goes on. The car performed flawlessly on my rally. I had 400 miles of opportunity to test the car going uphill and to test the car going 40 to 60 around some fun, twisty roads. So super thankful for Jordan, Quik's Oil Change in Watuga. They did a great job, and I saved about $550 by not going to my local Chevrolet dealership in McKinney. And I strongly recommend that you guys go to Quik's Oil Change to get your transmission fluid flushed if you need that recommended service. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.